Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Lycamobile SIM card in Germany in 2026. So first of all, before you even begin the process, you need to make sure that you have your Lycamobile SIM card, an unlocked smartphone and a valid government issued ID available. Now German law requires all the prepaid SIM cards to be registered and then verified before they can be activated. So once you have these ready, you just have to simply insert that Lycamobile SIM card of yours into your phone, and then you need to power your phone. Then your device should detect the SIM automatically, but service will remain limited until the registration process is completed. So in order to complete the process, you need to come here on the official website of lycamobile.de, which is the website for Lycamobile in Germany. Now over here, you just have to click on the option of SIM activation. Then it is going to show you the option that would say register now. So simply click on the option of register. Now over here, you need to simply provide all of the information that it requests you. So you will typically need the SIM card number, the PUK code, and your personal details exactly as they appear on your identification document. Now, after the process is completed, depending on the available options, this may involve uploading your identification documents or participating in a quick video identification check. So this step is mandatory for all the new prepaid SIM activations in Germany. Now, once your identity has been verified, you can submit the registration and wait for the activation confirmation. In many cases, the activation is completed within just a few hours, although processing times can vary. So when you receive the confirmation, you just have to do nothing but to just simply restart your phone and allow it to reconnect to the network. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.